PartnerStack's affiliate tracking tools are a game changer for anyone looking to scale their affiliate marketing efforts. If you're serious about growing your affiliate program, this quick guide will show you exactly how to use PartnerStack's tracking features to track performance, optimize partnerships, and boost your growth, all from a single platform. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know how to use PartnerStack's affiliate tracking tools to maximize your affiliate success. Before we jump in, if you're new to PartnerStack, you'll be pleased to know that you can start using it completely free through the exclusive link in the description below, which also comes with some awesome bonuses. Don't miss out on that. So, let's get into how PartnerStack's affiliate tracking tools can drive growth for your business. First, let's talk about the dashboard. PartnerStack provides an intuitive and easy to navigate interface where you can see all your affiliate data in one place. The key here is the real-time reporting, which lets you track affiliate performance instantly, allowing you to identify top performers, spot trends, and act fast to optimize your efforts. The software allows you to track various key metrics such as clicks, conversions, commissions, and the performance of individual affiliates. You can drill down into each affiliate's performance, looking at their traffic, conversions, and payout stats, which helps in understanding what works and what doesn't. Another amazing feature is the ability to set up automated notifications. PartnerStack allows you to set up alerts so you never miss a beat. You can be notified when a certain threshold of activity is reached, or when affiliates hit certain milestones, helping you stay on top of everything without being glued to your screen. PartnerStack also gives you the flexibility to customize your reports. You can filter your data by date ranges, specific affiliates, or campaigns. This is incredibly valuable for businesses with multiple partners, as it helps you segment your data and gain actionable insights into specific areas of your affiliate program. One of the standout features is the affiliate performance score. This score is calculated based on an affiliate's overall activity and helps you identify which partners are delivering the most value to your business. You can use this score to fine-tune your strategy, focusing on the most productive affiliates and improving or replacing underperformers. The affiliate onboarding process is super smooth with PartnerStack. You can automatically onboard affiliates and give them access to all the tools they need to succeed, including their unique tracking links and promotional assets. This is crucial for building a streamlined affiliate program that's easy for affiliates to get started with. When it comes to payouts, PartnerStack makes it easy to manage affiliate commissions. You can pay affiliates in real time, and you also have the option to set up recurring payments for long-term partnerships. This seamless payout system ensures affiliates are always paid promptly, which helps in building strong, lasting relationships. What's really valuable is the integration with third-party tools. PartnerStack integrates with various CRMs, email marketing platforms, and even e-commerce tools, allowing you to connect the dots between your affiliate marketing efforts and other aspects of your business. This makes tracking even easier, as all your data is synchronized in one place. Now, I want to quickly touch on something important. PartnerStack isn't just about tracking your affiliates, it's about growing with them. The software provides insights into what's driving growth, so you can make data-backed decisions on how to nurture those relationships. For example, if you see certain affiliates consistently outperforming, you can invest in scaling those partnerships through higher commissions or better promotional support. So by now, you should have a clear idea of how PartnerStack's affiliate tracking tools can streamline your affiliate marketing process and help grow your business. Remember, the key features we covered, real-time tracking, customizable reporting, automated notifications, and seamless integrations, all play a role in optimizing your affiliate program for maximum growth. And don't forget, if you want to try out PartnerStack with an exclusive extended free trial and bonuses, make sure to use the link below. By now, you should be equipped with the knowledge to get started and take full advantage of PartnerStack's affiliate tracking tools. If you're serious about growing your affiliate program, this tool is definitely something you want to explore. Thanks for watching.